Thank you.
Wow, I was right.
Gosh, that light bulb's cracked. That's not good. What does that mean?
Is it an LED bulb?
I don't know.
It's not like an LED bulb. LED bulb crack, don't get hot enough to crack.
That's weird. Alright, so we are cleaning out Miss Bally's closet today because it is a mess.
Yep, and I already took all the stuff out of the drawers.
Okay, yeah, I showed him. I showed him all your dirty laundry that you hadn't took to the laundry room yet.
Oh, good God.
Yeah, she's supposed to take it.
For my mom to come in here. She wants to record the closet being cleaned. I'm gonna wait here because I'm going too fast for the clothes. Fly on the camera. I'm looking for you.
That's just about all of it. She has a lot of clothes.
But she says that my daddy has more clothes than all of us.
Yeah, he does. We haven't done this in a while. I used to clean out her closets about every 6 months, and it's been like at least a year and a half since I've cleaned out her closet, because I feel like she's old enough to do that herself now. But I'm gonna help her because I'm OCD like that. So what we're doing is the Konmari method, where you put everything from a certain category, like clothes, and you put it all, every bit of clothes you've got except for her dirty clothes that she should have already took to the laundry room. We'll do those as we wash them and put them away. But everything that's clean, what?
There was cat pee in that one of those baskets, so I didn't want to like put them all in there.
So you should have took it to the laundry room. I didn't know that. So what she's going to do is she's going to go through every bit of her clothes and try on every single thing. And the things that she does not like or loathes or hates, or does not fit, we are giving away to the Resource Center for foster children in our area. They're taking donations tomorrow, and I've got lots of stuff to take to them, and I wanted to take as much as I could to help them out and to help us out by decluttering. And I just love this because you only keep your favorite things and the things that fit, and it just makes life so much easier. So we're gonna get to it. It's gonna be a lot of work for Miss Bradley, but she's gonna get to try on everything she's got.
I've got to say something. There is one dress or shirt in there that I despise.
Okay. 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 Well,
I gotta unstrap it.
she liked it for a second, but as soon as I got the camera out, she wanted to take it off. But this was Miss Bradley's helmet, and now it fits Reagan.
Behind the clothes.
Still a little big.
Pretty.
I wore it.
What's wrong?
No, I'm following you.
It's not working?
Huh? You don't need a backup. Just turn it like that. Go. See?
Cutie. Okay, this is everything we're taking to the Resource Center tomorrow. This box is the box of stuff that we got rid of out of Bradley's closet today. And it's a pretty big box. So that's good. We got rid of a lot. But this is not everything that we are parting with. This is just what we're taking to the Resource Center. But a friend of ours, her daughter is a year and a half to 2 years younger than Bradley, but she's a little bit taller for her age, so she can wear Bradley's hand-me-downs. So we've been giving her Bradley's hand-me-downs for years to help them out, and I've got a lot of stuff, nice stuff here for her.
Mama.
So this is all that we are giving to her. So much so. Excuse me.
Not my coat.
So this is everything we're going to be giving to her. I'm sure her mom will be super thrilled, and I'm sure she'll be excited too. It's always exciting to get new clothes, even if they're not brand new. I mean, these are still in really good condition, so I'm sure she'll be thrilled to add some nice stuff to her wardrobe. And she looks up to Bradley, so I'm sure she'll be happy. Her will be thrilled to get some of Bradley's stuff, I'm sure. So anyway, that's what we got rid of. Let me show you the closet. Her room is, it looks like a hurricane. Tornado came through here.
She's 3 years younger.
Yeah. So we're not completely done with the closet. I still got to tackle all that up there. Vacuum and shampoo the carpet in here. Clean up this shelf a bit. But here's the clothes. So from left to right, I have all of her spring and summer dresses and skirts hung up here. All nice and neat and organized. And then her like fall kind of longer sleeved dresses, rompers. Then over here I have her sweaters. Her winter coat, I have to fix it. It's got like a rip in the fur lining, so I've got to fix that with my sewing machine. But this is where her coats and like hoodies and sweaters and sweatshirts will go. And then here we have all the long sleeved shirts, or like quarter length shirts here. And then all of the summer and spring and summer nicer shirts and vesty things here. So I am so thrilled with the progress we've made today. We still have quite a ways to go, but we'd put a big dent in it today. So any kind of productivity, you know what, I'm happy about it.